So the stuff you will need for this project to change out a spigot is the actual spigot, and it's a sharkbite. So you'll connect the pecs, and depending what size you use, a 1/2 or a 3/4. This is 1/2 inch. You buy it. That thing will cost you about $3 for about a 4-foot size. I didn't have a different sharkbite, so you could buy these sharkbites where you just connect one end to the copper and then the other end to your PEX pipe. So it'll be 2 ends like this, and it makes it real simple, DIY friendly. What I'm gonna use instead is this. So you use a ring on the end of the PEX, you put that inside and you crimp it down until this small light here turns on. This we'll use to cut the copper pipe. This we'll use to cut the PEX pipe. The drill we'll use to drill the piece of wood because the hole was too big that was originally there. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. So let me show you the spot we're gonna fix. So the spot we're gonna fix is right here. So don't come out far enough. So we're gonna put that piece of wood there and bring it out as far as it should be. So let's get to it. So first thing we're gonna do is cut this pipe. So go ahead and tighten this guy up. Start twisting. Do a few turns, twist a little more. There's gonna be some water that comes out. There it is. Stick that hose through there. Now what we're gonna do is go to the outside. We'll go ahead and attach our spigot through there, connect our PEX line. So let's go ahead and do that. So here's that hole where it's gonna go through. That's what it's gonna connect to. When you have a shark bite like this, you could just connect your PEX right in there, just push it in. So it's DIY friendly. So what we're gonna do, just wait, that way we get it exact, is we're gonna push it in right now and screw it in, and then we'll do any of the cutting we need to on the inside. And there it is, it's connected. So what we're gonna do is connect this pipe here. So we'll cut the pipe here. As straight as possible. There it is. Alright, so next what we're gonna do is connect this. So first you put in your ring. When you tighten that little ring, that little part right there, what happens is it squeezes the ring together, and that clamps around that guy. So we'll pop in the ring first. And we'll pop this guy in. And then we do it until the light turns blue, which it did there. You guys probably can't see it, but it turns blue. So he's good to go. Next thing we do is we just connect it here. And there it is. And the plumbing is done. So anytime you're gonna do plumbing like that, it's that simple. When you use PEX, the sharkbite connections are a little more expensive compared to if you have this little tool and use the little clamps. But they're worth it because you could just go ahead and clamp down on them, push them in, and you don't have to buy this tool and do any clamping like that. So if you got something small like that, I recommend the shark bites, and any DIYer could do it.